update on how you can update your ship's information within MFP. This includes the ship speed, some of the ship diagrams. So here I am, I've logged into MFP, and you go to inventory management. If you don't have access to this, give me a shout. So click on inventory management and you'll see this screen right here. There's a menu over on your left. If you click the hamburger at the top, you can get a little bit more information about what those buttons are. You want to click ground data. And then you want to go down to ships here. And from that, you can choose your ship. We got the Roger Revell down here. And so you'll see the tabs across the top. General information, you can update this. We kind of filled it in, but you can change. There's been question about cruising speed and average speed during the cruise. You can update that here. You can also change deck plans here or links to deck plans. This location has to do with inventory management. Cabins, life raft have to do with if you're using the system berthing plan, which none of us are at this point. Fuel burn, we're not there. Costing is actually your day rates. And that was just updated recently with 2022 numbers. And project management, for now, let's not work with that. It just says which workflow you're using. So again, general information here. You can upload it and then click save. And that should reflect onto your workflows, specifically these speeds. That's it.